Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are taking a detailed look at one of the most exciting electric SUVs in the world, the 2027 Tesla Model X. Tesla has built the Model X around the idea that a large family SUV does not have to sacrifice performance, technology, comfort, or futuristic design. And as we look toward the 2027 model year, the Model X remains one of the most interesting names in the premium electric SUV segment. In this video, we are going to explore the exterior design, performance, driving experience, interior technology, comfort, safety features, expected pricing, and everything that could make the 2027 Tesla Model X special. So, if you love electric cars, futuristic SUVs, Tesla vehicles, or the latest automotive technology, make sure you stay with us until the end. Let's begin with the exterior. Exterior. The 2027 Tesla Model X continues the recognizable Model X design language while presenting a modern, aerodynamic appearance. Tesla has always focused heavily on efficiency, and the Model X demonstrates how an SUV can have a large and practical body while still maintaining a smooth and aerodynamic shape. From the front, the Model X has a clean and minimalist appearance. Instead of a traditional large grille, the vehicle uses a smooth front design that reflects its fully electric powertrain. The headlights give the SUV a distinctive appearance, while the overall front profile is designed to reduce aerodynamic resistance. The smooth hood flows naturally into the windshield, creating a streamlined silhouette. This design is not only about appearance. Aerodynamics are extremely important for an electric vehicle because reducing air resistance can help improve efficiency and driving range. Moving toward the side, the Model X has a long and sophisticated profile. The large body gives it a strong road presence, while the smooth surfaces help create a futuristic appearance. Large wheels, flush door handles, sculpted body panels, and a gently sloping roofline contribute to the premium look. One of the most recognizable elements of the Model X is its rear door design. Tesla introduced the distinctive Falcon wing doors with the Model X, giving the SUV a dramatic appearance that immediately separates it from conventional SUVs. These doors are not simply designed to attract attention. Their unusual opening mechanism can make access to the second and third rows easier in situations where conventional doors may have difficulty opening fully. The system also uses sensors to help detect surrounding objects. At the rear, the Model X features a clean and modern design. The rear lighting signature provides a recognizable appearance, while the large rear hatch emphasizes the vehicle's practical SUV character. The aerodynamic body, smooth panels, and carefully designed wheels all contribute to the overall efficiency-focused philosophy of the Model X. Another important advantage is the vehicle's cargo flexibility. Because an electric SUV does not need a traditional internal combustion engine layout, Tesla can provide useful storage areas in both the front and rear portions of the vehicle. Overall, the exterior of the 2027 Tesla Model X is expected to remain a combination of technology, practicality, aerodynamic efficiency, and futuristic styling. Performance. Now let's talk about the part that makes the Tesla Model X especially exciting: performance. The Model X is an electric SUV, but Tesla has never treated it like an ordinary family vehicle. Depending on configuration, the Model X has been offered with dual-motor all-wheel drive and high-performance variants. Electric motors provide instant torque, which means acceleration can feel extremely quick. Unlike a traditional gasoline engine that needs to build power through a transmission and increasing engine speed, an electric motor can deliver strong torque almost immediately. This characteristic gives the Model X a very responsive driving experience. The high-performance version has historically been known for extremely rapid acceleration, and Tesla could continue improving software, motors, battery technology, and thermal management for future versions. For everyday driving, however, performance is not only about acceleration. The Model X also needs to provide stability, comfort, and confidence. All-wheel drive can help provide traction in different road conditions. Electronic control of the motors allows the vehicle to distribute power intelligently, helping the driver maintain control during acceleration. The low placement of the battery pack is another important characteristic of electric vehicles. A battery positioned low in the vehicle can contribute to a lower center of gravity, which can improve handling compared with a similarly sized SUV with a high-mounted powertrain. The Model X is also designed to deliver a quiet driving experience. Because there is no conventional gasoline engine producing the same level of mechanical noise, passengers can enjoy a quieter cabin, especially at lower speeds. Tesla's software also plays an important role in the driving experience. Vehicle settings, driving modes, charging information, navigation, and many other functions can be controlled through the vehicle's digital systems. Range will also remain one of the most important factors for potential Model X buyers. Actual range depends on configuration, wheel choice, temperature, driving speed, road conditions, passenger load, and driving style. For long-distance travel, access to Tesla's charging ecosystem has historically been one of the major advantages of owning a Tesla. The vehicle can be charged at home using suitable charging equipment, while fast charging stations can provide significantly more energy in a shorter period when traveling. For a large electric SUV, the combination of range, charging capability, acceleration, and all-wheel drive performance makes the Model X a unique proposition. Interior. Now let's step inside the 2027 Tesla Model X. The interior follows Tesla's minimalist design philosophy. Instead of surrounding the driver with dozens of physical buttons, Tesla relies heavily on large digital displays and software controls. The central touchscreen serves as the main control center for many vehicle functions. Navigation, entertainment, climate controls, vehicle settings, charging information, and other features can be accessed through the screen. The steering wheel design also reflects Tesla's futuristic approach. Depending on configuration and market, the Model X can offer seating for multiple passengers, making it a practical choice for families who need additional space. One of the biggest advantages of the Model X interior is its combination of passenger space and cargo flexibility. The second-row seating can provide generous legroom, while the available third row gives families additional seating capacity. When the rear seats are folded, the vehicle can offer substantial cargo space for luggage, shopping, sports equipment, travel bags, and other large items. The Falcon Wing rear doors also make the interior feel different from almost every other SUV. Materials and comfort are another important part of the experience. Tesla has continued developing its interiors with premium materials, modern surfaces, large glass areas, and technology-focused design. The panoramic glass roof can create an open feeling inside the cabin and allow more natural light to enter. For passengers, entertainment can also be an important part of the Model X experience. Tesla vehicles have incorporated advanced displays, audio systems, connected services, and software-based entertainment functions. The rear passengers can also benefit from dedicated controls and screens depending on the configuration. One of the most interesting aspects of a Tesla interior is that the vehicle can receive software updates over time. This means certain features and improvements can potentially be delivered without requiring a traditional dealership visit. The software-centered approach is one of the major differences between Tesla and many traditional automakers. The cabin is also designed around quietness. Electric propulsion reduces the amount of engine noise entering the cabin, allowing passengers to enjoy music, conversations, and entertainment more comfortably. Safety features. Safety is another major consideration when discussing the Tesla Model X. The Model X is designed with a strong body structure, multiple airbags, electronic stability systems, advanced braking technology, traction control, and driver assistance technologies. Tesla's approach to safety also includes cameras and software designed to help the vehicle understand its surroundings. Depending on the market and configuration, available driver assistance features can include systems designed to assist with lane keeping, adaptive speed control, collision warnings, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, parking assistance, and other driving tasks. It is important to remember that driver assistance systems are not a replacement for an attentive human driver. The driver remains responsible for controlling the vehicle and monitoring the road. Tesla's advanced driver assistance technology is one of the most discussed aspects of its vehicles. The cameras around the vehicle can provide information used by Tesla's software to identify vehicles, pedestrians, road markings, traffic signals, and other objects. The vehicle can also provide warnings when the system detects certain potential hazards. Another advantage of electric vehicle design is the absence of a traditional large gasoline engine under the front hood. Tesla's engineers can use the vehicle architecture differently, providing additional storage and structural design possibilities. The battery pack is also integrated into the vehicle structure and includes sophisticated battery management systems designed to monitor temperature and performance. For families, safety is especially important, and features such as multiple airbags, electronic stability control, advanced braking assistance, parking sensors or cameras, and driver monitoring technologies can make the Model X a technologically advanced family SUV. However, exact safety equipment and ratings for the 2027 model year should always be confirmed from Tesla and official testing organizations when the final vehicle becomes available. Technology. Technology is at the heart of the Tesla Model X. The vehicle is designed more like a connected computer on wheels than a conventional SUV. The central display provides access to a wide range of functions. Drivers can use the touchscreen for navigation, media, climate settings, vehicle controls, charging information, and other features. Software updates are another important part of Tesla ownership. Instead of requiring every improvement to be installed during a service appointment, Tesla can deliver certain software changes remotely. This approach allows the vehicle's digital experience to evolve over time. Connectivity can also make everyday ownership more convenient. Drivers can use a smartphone as a vehicle key depending on the setup, monitor charging status, check vehicle information, and interact with various vehicle functions remotely. The Model X can also provide a highly integrated navigation experience that takes charging stops into consideration when planning longer journeys. For electric vehicle owners, this type of integration can make road trips much easier. The vehicle's entertainment system is another major attraction. Passengers can enjoy music and other supported entertainment functions while traveling. The audio system is designed to provide a premium listening experience, making the quiet electric cabin an excellent environment for music. Comfort and practicality. The Model X is not only about speed and technology. It is also designed as a family-oriented SUV. With multiple seating configurations and flexible cargo space, it can serve different lifestyles. A family can use it for daily school runs, shopping trips, weekend travel, and long-distance journeys. The large rear cargo area can accommodate luggage, while additional storage areas provide more flexibility. The elevated SUV driving position can also provide a broad view of the road. For long journeys, the combination of comfortable seats, quiet electric propulsion, navigation technology, and charging infrastructure can make the Model X a strong option for drivers who want a premium electric family vehicle. Another advantage is the smoothness of electric power. Without conventional gear changes and engine vibration, acceleration can feel extremely smooth. At the same time, the instant torque gives the driver a strong response whenever additional power is needed. Expected range and charging. Range is one of the biggest questions for any electric vehicle. The final 2027 Model X range will depend on the official configuration, battery technology, wheels, software, and testing standards used for the particular market. Tesla has historically offered the Model X with a substantial driving range, making it suitable for both everyday commuting and longer journeys. Real-world range can be lower or higher than the official rating depending on driving conditions. Cold weather can reduce battery efficiency, while high speeds can also increase energy consumption. Heavy use of heating or air conditioning can affect range as well. For that reason, drivers should consider their personal driving habits when choosing an electric SUV. Charging at home can be extremely convenient because the vehicle can be plugged in overnight and start the next day with additional range. For road trips, fast charging can be used to add significant energy during a stop. The exact charging performance of the 2027 Model X should be confirmed when Tesla announces final specifications. Expected price. Now we come to one of the most important questions: how much could the 2027 Tesla Model X cost? The final price will depend on Tesla's official pricing strategy, configuration, market, taxes, incentives, options, and delivery costs. Historically, the Model X has occupied the premium end of Tesla's lineup, so buyers should expect it to remain significantly more expensive than Tesla's smaller models. Different versions can also have different prices. A standard or long-range configuration would typically be positioned differently from a high-performance version. Optional equipment, wheels, interior choices, and other upgrades can also increase the final purchase price. Because 2027 pricing can change before the vehicle reaches every market, potential buyers should check Tesla's official website and local pricing when ordering. For someone considering a premium electric SUV, the Model X competes not only through luxury but also through acceleration, software, charging infrastructure, cargo flexibility, and advanced technology. Final thoughts. So, what makes the 2027 Tesla Model X interesting? First, there is the futuristic exterior. The aerodynamic body, Distinctive Falcon wing doors, modern lighting, and clean Tesla design give the Model X an appearance that still stands apart from many conventional SUVs. Then there is the performance. Instant electric torque, available all-wheel drive, and potentially extreme acceleration make the Model X much more exciting than a typical family SUV. Inside, the minimalist cabin, large touchscreen, spacious seating, flexible cargo area, panoramic glass roof, and software-based technology create a very different driving environment. Safety and driver assistance technology are also major parts of the Model X experience, although drivers must always remain attentive and responsible. And finally, there is Tesla's software ecosystem and charging network, which can make electric ownership more convenient for many drivers. The 2027 Tesla Model X represents an interesting combination of family practicality, premium comfort, electric performance, and advanced technology. Whether you are looking for a luxury SUV, a family vehicle, a long-distance electric car, or simply something that feels futuristic, the Model X remains one of the most recognizable electric SUVs on the market. Outro. And that brings us to the end of our detailed look at the 2027 Tesla Model X. What do you think about this futuristic electric SUV? Do you think the Model X still has what it takes to compete with the newest electric SUVs arriving from around the world? Would you choose the Model X for its performance, technology, range, interior space, or those incredible Falcon wing doors? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming car reviews, future vehicle updates, electric car news, and detailed automotive videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe, stay connected, and keep loving cars.